Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Capital One 360 for access detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Capital One website. Locate the accounts section on the home page. Click on open an account. Select 360 checking or 360 savings, depending on your preference. Review the account features and benefits provided. Click on open account to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, enter your residential address. Input your email address and phone number. Create a username for your online banking access. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Continue to the next screen to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to answer security questions. Once verified, you will be asked to fund your new account. Link an external bank account for easy transfers. Review the terms and conditions before agreeing. Complete your registration by clicking the final confirmation button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email for additional setup instructions. Log into your new Capital One 360 account to explore its features. Ensure you set up any additional preferences, such as alerts or mobile notifications. Your account is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.